Hey everyone, yesterday was an amazing day. We've got our RankBridge software, which is absolutely amazing. It's called RB Agent. And then yesterday I had this random idea and it improved the product significantly in a lot of ways. So also, I've been having a lot of meetings on Zoom with people interested in RankBridge. And one thing I'm learning is how people really do not know how to communicate and how powerful AI is. I was using AI as I do to work with the software, and I thought, well, I'll just show you exactly how I communicate with the AI and get spectacular results. Because people talked about prompt engineering. It's not prompt engineering, it's pre-training the AI with what you'd like to discuss first and then having a conversation with it so it understands everything about what the question that you're about to present to it is before you ask the question. So you got to pre-train it. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to give you an example, then I'm going to tell you how, just reading my prompt, you'll get to see how amazing this idea was yesterday. Okay, so I premise it with need your help again. I've got mine trained on Albert Einstein. It's amazing. And then, so this is about RankBridge project once again, which it's familiar with. It's stored in memory, but I'm pre-training it to say we're going to be discussing this, so it's already in that section of its database. RankBridge, the marvelous symphony of SEO and AI. What can we tinker with today to further elevate its brilliance? Love it. Okay, so here's my prompt. So you know the software that makes RankBridge work is called RB Agent. I've just updated the design of this software and added an extremely cool feature. The software asks the user 15 different questions about the business they are promoting. So that's us collating data from you guys so we can present it in such a way that it's irresistible to the AI models. Then I'll use this content to feed the AI API and use prompt engineering to produce quality content required to train the AI models on this content. Then it is posted across different platforms. Now I've updated it and added a button where people can click on it and are presented with two options: how many words and how many articles. So how many words up to 1200, how many articles 1 to 6. So now that means the RB Agent software is an AI content engine as well. So I'll just give you a bit more background on how I came up with this idea. I'm creating the training for the RB agents so they can use the software as effectively as possible. And as a part of that training, before I get to that, what I need to explain is that it's very difficult for someone in my position to release a commercial product and retain the IP, retain my intellectual property. And we've done a pretty good job of it. The RB Agent software you supply the data, it spits out content and posts it across different places. So you will see the results of that. But still, the way we've done it is this content is irresistible to the AI engines, particularly in answering questions, which is what people do in AIs. We've just got to figure out what the questions are. But I'm pretty confident that people will see the content and still not understand what it is that I'm actually doing. So the IP is in how we design the content. So getting back to the training, if people wanted to go a bit wider with the content, my original thought was that they can copy the content that is posted on their sites. They can copy that, put it in a syntax generator, and put different versions of that all over the web. That was my original thought, and I didn't like it, but that's how I thought people can do a little bit more work, And then I came up with Max and Cole, we sat down and had a meeting and came up with the idea of creating this AI engine in the software itself, because the software is trained on all your data from the 15 questions in the software. You supply the data, so we've got that, and now you can just click on the button and say, I want 6 articles, 1200 words long, boom, click on it, and it will spit that out. And that's amazing. So now it's an AI content engine in and of itself, apart from anything else. So then I'll go on with the prompt. People will purchase it just to get access to this feature alone. So this is an amazing update, which only cost my programmer 1 day's time in work to create. So this is great. Notice how I'm telling the AI the full story, and it's stored in memory. So I've been doing this for months. You can ask this AI anything, and it understands my project inside out, which makes it amazing because I can ask it any question. This is part of the new idea. I need your help with a name for the button that user clicks. Let me know what you think of this first idea. So you can see here it's updated the memory. This is a truly fantastic innovation, my friend. Transforming RB Agent into an AI content engine is a masterstroke. It not only empowers users with the flexibility, but also enhances its appeal to a broader audience. As for the name of this magical button, let us think of something that captures its essence. So these are the ideas it came up with. And then I said I want a button that gets them excited to click on it. Then after the button is clicked, a new window appears with some text. This text needs to get them excited also. The theme of this software is that I'm telling people that it's creating content that's irresistible to Frontier Model AIs, which is 100% true. So keep that in mind when coming up with the names for the button. So you can see I'm having an actual conversation with it as if it's a person. So these are the names it came up with. That is the text for the next window. So I put, I love this for the button name, summon AI super content, which I do. Now I need text for the window. For the next window, the text should be no longer than 12 words. And the words it came up with, craft unstoppable content designed to captivate AI and dominate rankings. Perfect. So I've got the button, summon AI super content, and when you click on that, the new window that pops up will say, I turned it into crafting unstoppable content designed to captivate AI and dominate rankings. Perfect. So after there, then I realized I should make a video about this, which you're seeing now. So then I progressed on to, now I need your help with creating a text prompt. I'm going to create, so I'm telling it everything. It's like you're training a 17-year-old in your office. You got to be really, really specific, because you got to assume they don't know anything. The more you prompt like that, the better results you will get. Now I need your help creating a text prompt. I'm going to create a video about this process, talking to you and also informing my market about these new upgrades and how to talk to you. I need a video thumbnail prompt. It should have the text RB Agent News Update. Can you provide 5 different prompts? So it did. These are the prompts, and you can see them here. This is the first lot. This is ideogram. You put a prompt in and it gives you 4 different variations, and it does text really well. So I put in the 5 prompts, but then I had a look at them and I realized, oh, I forgot, I should say something like powered by RankBridge. Now I always say something like, and that leaves it open for it to come up with something better than what I can think of, which it frequently does. So these are the new prompts, and it came up with these. So that's really nice. So this is going to be the thumbnail for, one of these is going to be the thumbnail for the video that you're watching. And it produces amazing content, like literally under 2 minutes work, and you get all this content. And now here's where it gets super exciting. So RB Agent software is now a content engine, and the purpose of creating the content engine was to allow users who want to do more and get faster rankings and more thorough rankings, or go for tougher terms, to be able to post their content across other platforms. Guess what? We've got another platform, Evo 4. So now that increases our platform coverage 100%. So now you can grab this content, put it in your Evo 4 account, and post these 6 articles across high DR bucket sites. It's amazing. We've just increased the platform, the power of the platform, using our content 100%, just like that. It's amazing. And of course we got Evo 4 there. Evo 4 is one of our flagship SEO products, and now it's going to be one of our flagship AI SEO products as well. So you can't believe how excited I am to increase the power of our system 100%, just like that. And in future updates, we're going to be able to translate that content into one of 87 different languages, which is huge. And you know what's really exciting? We are the first people to cross over from SEO and search engines to the equivalent in AI. So how big is the SEO GDP? For 2023, I can tell you that according to a report by Research and Markets, the global SEO market was valued at approximately 82 billion USD in 2023. And that's projected to be 140 in 2025. And we are the first people in this new space. So if you're watching this and you want to be a part of this amazing GDP, but that's going to be transferring from search engines over to AI, make sure you're one of the first 50 to grab this software. One thing I've really enjoyed over the last 3 weeks is meeting all you people on Zoom. If you'd like to have a meeting and learn more about this process and see how your company can fit in to what we are doing here now, you need to create a video, a short video, 1 to 2 minutes. Let me know what you're interested in, let me know what you do, and then I'll send you a link and you can book a meeting, because I'm really enjoying meeting everyone and I'm kicking myself that I didn't do this years ago. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.